This is the portfolio rubric guidance for Standard 1 Nbt B3. Compare two-digit numbers based on the meanings of the digits in each place and use the symbols greater than, equal, and less than to show the relationship. To assess this standard, the teacher will assess the student's ability to compare two-digit numbers using the symbols greater than, equal, less than to show the relationship. The teacher will give the student a sheet with 20 problems on the sheet. The student will compare two-digit numbers and write the correct symbol in the blank. Students cannot use objects or drawings when completing the sheet with the 20 problems. This assessment is comparing numbers based on the meaning of the digits, and this is a written assessment. Once students have mastered comparing two-digit numbers, if they can correctly answer all 20 problems, teachers can move into assessing the second grade standard that is aligned, Standard 2 Nbt A4. This standard is assessing the student's ability to compare two three-digit numbers using those symbols greater than, equal, and less than. The teacher will also give the students a sheet with 20 problems for this standard, and students will be comparing two three-digit numbers. Write the symbol greater than, equal, or less than in the blank to show the relationship. Students cannot use objects or drawings for this standard either. This is an assessment comparing numbers based on the meaning of the digits in each place. This is a writing assessment as well. The suggested tasks listed in the rubric give you examples of one possible problem of those 20 problems. For the first grade standard, comparing two-digit numbers, 34 blank 52, and the student writes less than in the blank. An example of the second grade standard, one of the problems could be 427 blank 328, and the student writes greater than in the blank. Remember, for each part, whether you're assessing the two-digit numbers or if you've moved into assessing two three-digit numbers, the assessment must have 20 problems. The required method of evidence is the writing product. Teachers must upload the 20 problems with the student's answers in the blank. Once you have your student work, it is time to assess the student work. When assessing the comparing of two-digit numbers, if the student is unable to answer any of the 20 problems correctly, that is the score of a 0. If the student answers at least 5 of the two-digit problems, the list of 20 problems, if they get at least 5 correct, that is the score of a level 1. If at least 10 of the answers are correct for those 20 problems, the score is a level 2. If at least 15 of the problems are answered correctly, that is a score of a level 3. And if all 20 of the problems are answered correctly, that is the score of a level 4. If students have mastered all 20 of the comparing of the two-digit numbers, teachers, you can move into assessing comparing two three-digit numbers. If the student answers correctly at least 10 of the 20 problems comparing to three-digit numbers, the score would be a level 5. If the student scores at a level 5, you do not have to upload evidence of the student scoring at least the level 4. If the student is not able to be successful at least 10 of the two three-digit numbers, upload the evidence showing that the student can do 20 of the two-digit number comparisons. If the student is successful at comparing at least 15 of the three-digit numbers, the score is a level 6. And if the student correctly compares all 20 of the three-digit numbers using the symbol in the blank, that is the score of a level 7.